Ito po ang product ng Titan, intention of joining PBA because of its products exposure. But we waited for this year, which is the 58th years of PBA, and we wanted to join the circus because of its for exposure and the quality of the PBA players. So we have the right timing to join the PBA this year.
Yung monikers?
Yung name, sir.
Actually, the monikers previously we have our product lines are like coffee, juice powder, beauty products. But this year, with the as I say, with the 50 years of PBA, which we feel will be an impact, we want to come in also with an impact products. That's why we introduce our new products, which is the Titan Ultra.
Ano ba yung Titan? Ano yung Titan Ultra?
Titan Ultra is medicine for ingredients for male sex.
Out in the market na ba yun, sir? Dati na ba yun?
No, this is a new products. I think eventually, very near future na lalabas na. Kaya sinabay na namin dito sa PBA 58th anniversary.
Sir, hindi naman kayo hindi naman kayo nangangamba dun sa baka may mga reaction ng mga tao dahil na yung produkto?
We are concerned, but actually we feel at first it should not be on this event, but with the impact of PBA 50 years, who knows, we can be benefited from our new products. The first idea is to use the old products, but it was already in the market. Kilala na eh. So maybe this might be a help for everybody. So yan ang observation namin.
On my end, ano yung pinaka-goal nyo for yung team nyo? Ano bang dito kanina bago, complete naman yung lineup nyo?
It's admitted, this is our first year. As I say, we still have around 4 veterans player who can help and guide our rookie, and we were lucky to acquire some veterans player from other teams. So with that young group, our veterans are still young. So our goal is to have a run and gun European style. Depensa, shooter, we have lots of shooter. Yan po. The previous one.
When you took over?
Oh, meron naman. We attended, we follow, we apply, we submit all the documents. Medyo, I'll admit, medyo mahirap, stricto, and you have to go to the standard procedure. But we are happy. Our intention is to join talaga PBA.
So you're in it for the long run naman po yung Pure Blitz?
Yes. This is going to if ever we want to stay with another 50 years.
Team owner sa team.
The team owner is a fighter and a basketball player na who wanted to win at all costs. But eventually, we know we are a new team and we have to develop. You can not be a champion team in one year. It should be within 2 to 3 years. We will develop and train young. We will develop through drafting.
Sir, you mentioned yung drafting, how impactful yung pagkuha nyo kay Chris Kun, and how confident are you na makakatulong agad siya sa team?
Well, as all teams needs is a big man. So yung terms namin sa second round, this is sa first round, the player we intend to draft is no longer available. But we drafted Chris Kun, which is turned out to be a diamond and a very professional player with our team. Then the second round, we were looking for big man. Again, the three big men whom we wish are already gone, so we have to settle for the best available players. Ito po ang product ng Titan. So